I believe in best friends. It's important to have a best friend because everyone needs that one person they can tell everything to. I have had my best friend since middle school. Having her as my best friend is like having the perfect sister. She is always there for me just like I am there for her. We both have many things in common. People say we act the same way, which makes things more fun. Our families get along like they should, giving great advice, having trust, and being honest. Now that we've become seniors and a couple months to graduation, we question each other about our friendship. Would we still get to see each other, communicate like we used to? We both have our own plans after high school. We always remind each other to stay positive because even if things don't turn out the same, we would still be there for each other no matter what. Being her best friend has changed my life in a way. She's helped me through tough challenges and even through making tough decisions. Growing up with her has made things better for us. We act like a big sister and little sister, with communication, care, help, and trust. Having a best friend involves respect and being honest to someone, which is important because it helps you and your best friend to become closer. When your best friend tells you a secret or something personal, they expect you to keep it between each other, which gains trust. People have told me that best friends don't exist because they will end up turning their back on you somehow. I have never had my best friend turn their back on me, and I hope it never happens. If you become best friends with someone, you're like making a promise with them. This I believe.